Church of Family game.
True.
We are back with another video. Today we are gonna do some last minute things for our dinner that Saturday. And I told you guys we are going to vlog for the dinner, our anniversary dinner. We have to pick up balloons. Well, not pick them up, but we have to place the order for the balloons and the things like that that needs to be purchased for the dinner. We have our clothes, shoes, and all that good stuff. We just got to get some last minute items.
Yeah. Get prepared.
And this is a dinner that you guys don't want to miss. So if you don't have your post notification bell on, I think you should go ahead and hit that bell so that you guys will be notified when we do upload. We're going to take you guys with us throughout the whole process of us getting ready for the dinner, and while we're at the dinner, even after the dinner, we're going to do a unboxing of all of the gifts that we received at the dinner. And I did let you guys know that we are registered, that we are registered at Target and Amazon. And I dropped the link below in the last video, and I'm gonna drop it in this video. What happened? And I'm gonna drop the link in this video as well. It'll be in the description box below. All right, you guys, we have to get on the road. Look at him.
I'm prepared. I'm ready to hang out.
You ready to hang out? Alright, you guys, so we're going to get on the road and we'll be back. Hello, family. We are home. And I have someone here. Okay. Yeah, she decided to join me to end this video. Yeah. Really?
That's glitter.
Today listen, when we got into the car, the Slingshot, on the expressway, it started raining. We had to get off the expressway because it started raining. The vehicle itself is waterproof. You have a glitter on your face.
I see. I can't get it off.
The vehicle itself is waterproof, but guess what? We are not. So we got wet.
Wait,
So
the car with the no roof?
Yeah, with the no roof. It's called the Slingshot. Really? So you think that's funny?
Yeah.
So we had to come back home. We had to get in another vehicle.
Hi, YouTube. My tooth.
Yeah, his tooth came out. So he's gonna put his tooth under the pillow so the tooth fairy can come. He's building the bank.
As Santa Claus, Tooth Fairy, there's no such thing as no magical thing or holiday. There's no such thing as the Easter Bunny. No such thing.
I just would like for you to tell me, where did you get that from?
You Santa.
I never
You
told you.
Mrs. Santa. He Mrs.
Okay.
Wait, did I say that right?
No.
Ms.
Mr. is a guy.
Mr.
Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out who told you that. Where did you get that from? So who told you that? Where did you get that from? No Santa, no Easter Bunny, no Tooth Fairy, no Cupid. Like who told you this foolish thing? Well, you're a cute girl.
Because I don't believe in the
What gave you the right to not believe?
Because if Santa Claus come down your chimney and he's whoosh.
He might don't come down your chimney. He might come to your front door. Your front door.
But your door be locked. And
okay, so why do you think we bake cookies and leave them out? You don't think your parents have anything to do with it? You don't think that your parents let him in and help bring the gifts in? Why do you think you guys have to be in bed at a certain time?
If Santa Claus was if you let Santa Claus in, Santa Claus would not give us any gifts because he saw people and he.
No, it has to be parents that he see. If he see children, you guys, we are watching. Just a second, pause for the conversation. So yeah, that was George Floyd's funeral. Floyd Mayweather paid for his funeral. That was great deed, great deed. Very nice of him to do that. But yeah, Santa, I believe in Santa. Stop doing it.
I don't.
Well, I guess you don't get any gifts.
I don't stay up, but sometimes
yeah, because
I do.
you go to bed to wait on Santa.
No, sometimes I do stay up. Sometimes all of us stay up. And we go in your room and we jump in your bed to wake y'all up.
Oh, please. Why would you make up stuff?
We do.
It's not good to make up
But
stuff.
last year we
Y'all
did.
never you don't jump on my bed. Let's be honest.
We did it. What? I thought we jumped in your bed to wake you up.
If you say so.
I'm so confused. But I don't stay
You're
up
so
all
confused.
the time. Yeah. And I don't stay up all the time. I stay up sometimes. But last year, I think it was Baby or Pretty who told me. I think it was Baby. And she said that.
I asked you to keep your legs down.
And she said that she think that she saw. That's not funny. They just said last year that she knew that she was getting a hoverboard because I don't know. I forgot.
She already have a hoverboard.
Yeah, she knew she was getting that purple. I know the place.
Because you guys write your lists, pick out the things, write your list. You let me know. I let Santa know, and Santa get the things that you guys are wanting.
But Santa's Santa Claus, so he'll give us anything.
As long as you're nice, he gets the thing. Yeah,
I'm nice.
He yeah, as long as you're nice, you get the things that your heart desires. You're naughty, you get nothing.
Boom.
I have a mole here, I have a mole there. Here, mole, there, mole, everywhere, mole here, and a mole there. I have moles.
And chocolate spots.
Chocolate spots?
Remember that TikTok from a million nights? It was like, it looked like chocolate.
You guys, we are approaching the dinner. Our anniversary dinner is slowly approaching. Well, no, it's quickly approaching now. We went out today and did some last minute things to get ourselves, to prepare ourselves for the dinner. Don't forget, we're going to take you guys with us. So if you do not have your post notification bell turned on, please do so that you guys will not miss. So that you guys will not miss.
And
Oh.
yeah.
any of our videos, especially the ones that we have coming up in a couple of days, in a couple of days. Can you stop? It's like you want to pick your nose.
I didn't pick my
It's like
I
she
didn't.
wants to. I didn't say you
pick
did. I said
didn't.
it's like you want to pick.
No, I don't want to.
Like you want to pick your nose.
I don't want to. Stop.
I don't know. Okay. But yeah. We have two registries set up. One is at Target and one is Amazon. I dropped the link below in one of the other videos. The anniversary with the slingshot. I dropped the link below in that one. I'm going to drop it below in this one as well. Oh, are you sleepy?
No, I was singing a TikTok song.
Oh, yeah. But it's time to go to bed. So, we're going to prepare ourselves for bed.
I have so much glitter on my feet.
Yeah, because she plays in slime with glitter. Slime with glitter. She does. All right, you guys. Today has been a very long, busy day. We got wet. My hair got wet. Yeah, it's okay. It's not wet now. But it's okay. It's okay. It's
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. All right, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for thank you guys for your continuous your continuous support. Like we really thank you guys for supporting us, watching our videos, liking our videos, commenting on our videos, and so on and so on and so on. Don't forget to thumbs up. Thumbs up. Don't forget to thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Oh, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Turn your post notification bell on so that when we do post our next video, you will be uploaded. Because you guys do not want to miss the dinner. And we plan on going live again. Like, give us a topic for our next live. We only went live one time, and it went pretty good. We enjoyed everyone that, was in attendance. So, if you guys would love for us to go live again, throw us out a topic, and we will get that done. Ooh! You scared me. All right, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Do you want to say anything?
Thank you guys for watching.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Okay. Peace.